Good morning friends. In this video, we are going to draw the orthographic views, that is the front view, top view and end view of the solid whose isometric view is given to us. So friends, if you observe this figure, you have a cubical item, cubical component. It has got 50 width, 50 height and 50 length. So it is cubical in nature. And we have friends, this is being cut by a plane exactly up to the midpoint of the base from the top to the bottom like this. And the direction of viewing this solid for writing the orthographic views is also given. That means you will have to obtain the front view by looking at this solid in the direction of this arrow. Similarly, you have to obtain the end view by looking this solid in this direction. And top view as usual, you will have to see from the top. Friends, since it is cubical in nature, in the front view, I am going to write a cube or a square of dimension 50 by 50. So here I have drawn the XY line and make a box here, a square of dimension 50 by 50. So this is 50 and height is also 50. So it is a square I have written here. And friends, similarly for the top you have got a square 50 by 50. So I am going to write down in the top view another square of the same dimension 50 millimeter by 50 millimeter. This is the another square. Now friends, let us complete the front view of the object. Friends, in the front view, you are looking at this object in this direction. So friends, this point on this line appears as if it is here. Similarly, this point here appears as if it is here. So exactly in the front view, you see one rectangle 25 by 50, one rectangle exactly in the center you see here. So I am going to write a rectangle here. This is the rectangle what you are going to see here. Similarly, for the same width 25 and the height, you are going to get another rectangle. So friends, we need to have more of the imagination for drawing this. So friends, this piece is this rectangle which is exactly parallel to you, and you see the dimension as 25 by 50. This is 25 width and the height of that is 50. And friends, here again this width is 25. I will show here if required. This is 25, and here friends, whatever the point you had here, it appears in the front view as if it is here. Even if this point is here, it will appear here itself. Similarly, this point appears here. So friends, you are going to have 2 points here, 2 on the base, which 25 height is equal to, I have drawn the front view. So friends, I will say here FV. FV represents the front view of this solid, which is given in isometric. Friends, let us come to the top view. Friends, when you look from the top, friends, you are going to have an L-shaped top here. So friends, how to get that? Friends, exactly we will divide this into 4 equal parts. That is, we can see here 4 equal parts like this, friends. Here we are going to have a rectangular width, that is an L-shaped thing you get here. This is how this part appears. That is, this part is this one and the second one is this piece. So you are going to get something like an L here. Friends, what happens? This edge you will see here, and here this point, when you look from the top, appears as if it is at this junction. Similarly, this appears at this. So you are going to have another small square of 20 by 25 here. Friends, this is how the object looks. So this is a thin line, don't get confused. So this is 25 mm, this is the top face, and this face is a square of 25 millimeter side, and this height is, as I told you before, is a 50 millimeter side, because the top view is a square. In this we are going to have this. So friends, you have got the top view, an L-shaped object with this square at the left end. The front view you have got two rectangular pieces, one for this 25 by 50, 25 by 50, and the other one is, this is 25, and I told you these 2 points appear at this corner and this point respectively. So I got the front view, you have got the top view. Friends, we need to draw the profile view or the end view of the solid. Friends, for writing the end view, you have right line x1, y1 perpendicular to xy and at an angle of 45 degrees here. Friends, we are going to get in the end view in the direction of P another rectangular box. So let me project this and obtain the side view or end view of the box. So it is going to be a box, a square having same 50 by 50. This is a square, friends. This is again 50 millimeter height, 50 millimeter width. The height is 50. This is also 50. Now friends, we will write a horizontal line through this till it touches this at the midpoint. Write a vertical line from there just to mark the end point here. Friends, when you look at the object in the direction, in the left side you are going to have a line. So that line is this line. Please observe carefully. And then friends, base you have got, that base we have drawn. And friends, we are connecting this point, that is this point, to the bottom edge. So from there, I am going to write a line, inclined line, and this line is shown by this. Friends, this is for this face which is in front of the observer. Friends, here, as I told you before, this point here on this appears as if it is here. So friends, you are going to have even this edge also. So friends, this line is this line, and this is how the object looks when you see in the end. So friends, we have got the front view, we have the top view, and we have got this end view, and this is obtained from the left direction. This is called LEV, means left end view of the solid. Friends, this is how we obtain the front view, top view, and the end view of the solid. Friends, here you should remember that this inclined surface is represented by this line, because this line, when seen from here, it falls behind this, so you will get a single line, and this is how the final end view looks. Friends, I hope that the presentation was interesting, and I am sure all of you would have followed the three views I have drawn. That's orthographic views when the isometric view of the solid is given to you. Please go through the complete video, friends. And if you like this video, share with all your friends without fail. Have a wonderful day, my dear friends.